Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. Today in this video, we are going to discuss principle of drawing as per BIS SP46. Actually, dimensioning system, we are going to discuss how we have to give the dimensions on the component. This is actually incorrect way of dimensioning in this component, and here it is correct way of dimensioning. So we are comparing these two figures of the same part. If you see here, there are 15-16 points which we are going to compare. First thing is, dimension should follow the shape symbol. First thing, dimension should follow the shape symbol, means here if you see, this is your dimension 54 and this is your shape symbol dia. So we have to put this diameter before the dimension dia 54. This is the correct way and this is the incorrect way here. Very first thing is this. So this way, this is the correct way of dimensioning. And in number 2 and 3, if you see here 2 and 3, what is there? This is a feature. We have cut this depth. This is a feature, and in this feature, this extension line, as a extension line we are using this feature, which is wrong. In 3 number also, this is your dimension line and this is your extension. We are using as a extension line the feature. This is wrong. This is also wrong, and number 2 is also wrong. If you see here, this we should give dimension like this, because this is our extension line like this, and so this way we have to give the dimension. And similarly this is 2 and 3 both. And then is number 4, extension line should touch the feature. Extension line should touch the feature. That means this is your extension line number 4. If you compare this, this should touch the feature like this. This is extension line and it should match here like this. So this is point number 4. So this is wrong here because some gap is there, but it should touch here like this. This is number 4. And in number 5, if you see here what is given, number 5, extension line should project beyond the dimension line. That means extension line should project beyond the, it should project like this beyond the dimension. It should have some length like this. From the arrowhead, it should have some length outside. So it should be projected like this. So this is number 5. And number 6, if you see here, number 6 is writing the dimension is not as per the aligned system. Number 6. Actually this aligned system is there. Number 6, it is not aligned with the dimension where this is aligned like this. It should align with the dimension line. So this is point number 6. Okay. Then point number 7 is here. It is about hidden lines. This is hidden line here, and this is hidden line. There should not be gap when these hidden line are matching with each other. There should not be gap. So here there is some gap. So this is wrong, and this is right here. This like this. So number 7 was hidden line should meet without a gap. Okay. And number 8 is center line representation is wrong. Dot should be replaced by a small dash. 8 number. 8 number is center line representation. If you see here, this is a center line, and in the center line there should not be any dot. It should be small dash like this. Small dash is there, then big dash is, then small dash is. So it should be like this only. So this here is wrong because there is a dot. Okay. So number line 9 number, what it tells, horizontal dimension line should not be broken to insert the value of the dimension. Horizontal line 9 number, if you see here number 9, this horizontal line should not be broken in between like this. This is wrong. It should be like this only, and text should be placed above the dimension line like this. And this is number 9. Okay. Then number 10 is, you see here, what is number 10? Number 10 is dimensions should be placed above the dimension line. Okay. So dimensions should be placed above the dimension line. We have already discussed it. Then it should be placed above the dimension line. It should not be under the dimension line. So this is wrong here because text is under the dimension line. So this is wrong. So it should be placed above the dimension line only. Okay. Then number 11 is radius symbol should precede the dimension. That means radius in 11 number, if you see here, this radius 15R, this is wrong. It should be written R15. First you write R, then you write dimension size. So this is okay and this is wrong. 11. Then number 12 is, in number 12, center line should cross at long dashes. Center line should always cross at long dashes. So this is a center line, it is crossing at small dashes. This is wrong. So it should cross like this on the long dashes. It is okay. This method is okay. And then at 13, if you see at 13, here it is written 30 dia. This is wrong. It should be written first symbol dia and then 30. Dia 30. It should not be 30 dia. So this is wrong. At 13 number. Okay. And at 14 number, what is given here is, if you see, this we have discussed, note with dimensions should be written in capitals. So note with dimensions, this note with the dimension should be given in capital letters like this. These 2 holes dia 10 like this. It is written here 2 hole 10 dia. So this is wrong. So this is okay. So this note should be written in capital letters and like this only. Okay. Then number 15 and 16 are, 15 is this elevation. We should not write elevation. We should write view from the front or front view. And this is plan, not plan. We should write view from the above or top view. We can say top view. So this is correct way of dimensioning. So we should not make such type of mistake while dimensioning on a component, on a drawing. So this we should take care. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you soon in next video.